Assalamu alaikum students of class 9th. Hope you all are fine. This is your Pakistan studies lecture. As I discussed in my previous lecture about the map of Pakistan, we also discussed about its neighboring country and about its provinces. Now move towards the today topic, that is about the physical feature of Pakistan. As you can look in this picture, that the colored map of Pakistan, which is showing the different physical features of Pakistan. Look at the north of Pakistan, there is a brown portion which is showing the mountains of Pakistan. As you can see that in the north there is the northern mountain range, and in the west this is the western mountain range of Pakistan, and in the middle of the Pakistan these are the central mountain range of Pakistan. Now look at the green portion, that is the plains of Pakistan, and at that point there is upper Indus plain and this is the lower Indus plain. Now look at the yellow portion. The yellow portion is showing the plateaus of Pakistan. This is the Potahar plateau and this is Balochistan plateau. And the orange color which is showing the deserts of Pakistan. These are the Tharparkar and Cholistan desert, and this is Thal desert of Pakistan, and you can see in this there is a Haran desert also here, and you can see the Indian Ocean here. Today I am going to explain the northern mountain range. These mountain range are divided a series of ranges which are the following. The sub-Himalaya range or other name of this range is the Shawalik range. Second, Pir Panjal range, and it's called the Lower Himalaya, Greater Himalaya or the Central Himalaya. Then Karakoram range, and last one Hindu Kush range. Today I am going to the sub-Himalaya range or Shawalik range extend over the southern part of the Hazara and Murray and includes the hill of Rawalpindi and Pabbi hills. The average height of these range varies below 600 and 900 meters. Second range is Pir Panjal range, and other name of this range is the Lower Himalaya. The Lower Himalaya lies range of the medium relief and it's north of the sub-Himalaya. The Pir Panjal range is in western Kashmir, Murray Hills, Lower Hazara. The average height of these hills is 1800 to 4600 meter. The Central Himalaya or the Greater Himalaya range. The Central or Greater Himalaya range can be considered as the backbone of the majestic range, of which comprises a chain of the peak located in the northern Pakistan. Average height of these mountain is 6096 meter, while the world famous Nanga Parbat is about 8126 meter high. And in this picture you can see this is the Nanga Parbat, which is the highest peak of the Greater Himalaya range, and the Greater Himalaya mountain range are above the 700 meter, and these mountains are the snow capped, and there is the lake of Safal Muluk and the Satpara located here, and Nanga Parbat is its highest peak. Now the Karakoram range appears in the north and including the world famous series of the lofty mountains, which is Mount Godwin Austen, another name is the K2, and the Broad Peak, These range also have the world's largest glaciers field, and at least 20 glaciers have length of more than 20 meters. This includes the Baltoro Glacier, Biafo, Hisper. The last range of the northern mountain is the Hindu Kush range. The mostly mountains of the Hindu Kush range are located in the Afghanistan. As you can see in this map, that the half of the Hindu Kush mountains are located in Afghanistan. Tushmir is the highest peak of Hindu Kush mountain, and its height is 7,690 meter. Students, you can look in this page, which are showing the physical feature of Pakistan and mountains. As I discussed earlier, northern mountain, central mountain, southern mountain range, and northern mountain range are further divided into the 5 branches, and I discuss in detail. You can make notes from there.